Welcome to Cosas y Punto unboxing. This is one of our offerings, the frame posters for Peru. It has the Miraflores Lighthouse, your Nazca lines, Machu Picchu, and this is what's called a retablo. Okay, actually, there's a very cool story about this. This is actually a newsstand in Miraflores. Okay, so this is a nice oak finish. Here you can see the fasteners that it uses. Okay, it comes in a very nice and secure box. So, please check it out. Okay, this would be a beautiful, beautiful addition to your home office, your home, or even your office. Okay, check it out on our website, cosasypunto.com.